not easy things to hold and eat while you're sitting watching a baseball game, but delicious.
Funny thing is, Luke's wanted me to challenge me to do 26 lobster rolls.
Oh. Like eat?
Yeah, eat 26. You think I'm up for that?
Nope.
I think you're always up for a good challenge.
Amanda's on board. That might be a lot. Maybe 26 pizzas. That's also a lot.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. You know what we need a lot more of, besides that stuff, is snow. And we're just haven't had it. I mean, look at this board here. Not inches, feet. Feet here. You can't see behind the bug here. Caribou, that's the same thing so far, and the average. I mean, 24.3 so far in Portland. 58 is where we would average out to be. Bangor, 27 to 62. Caribou, 60 to 97, close to 100 inches. So clearly issues here from Bangor all the way down to Portland, up to Caribou. It doesn't matter where you are, because we got temperatures like this, you're just not going to have snow. So obviously, I feel for you if you rely on that stuff, but not happening if you're a landscaper, hardware store, ski resorts, outdoors, not happening at all. Showers in New Hampshire right now into southern Maine, kind of a few falling apart tonight. Snow north Thursday, rain, snow south on Friday, and then it's a 50-50 weekend. Saturday's the better day for doing stuff outdoors, which kind of feels weird to say here in the middle of March, but that's what the weather's been like. The green here is showing where those 50s kind of popped up, but the onshore flow from this nice little sea breeze, nice, relatively speaking there, but the sea breeze here, because of that light wind, has come onshore, and that's why you have those blues. So Kittery, Wells, Kennebunk Port, South Portland, and Portland. But Lewiston's 55, no sea breeze there. Heading up to Orono, 51, Eastport, 46, Bar Harbor, 52. So the sunshine really warmed the ground, now giving off that heat on the visible satellite. Off to the west here come those showers moving into Coos County, the White Mountains of New Hampshire, and even the Oxford Hills, seeing some shower activity. This is not going to be a lot. At elevation, I could see a few, wet snowflakes, but for the most part, the bigger story here is going to be the onshore flow at the coastline, keeping things chilly. Obviously, the coat still on. Today's sunshine long gone by tonight, and then those showers push through again tonight. Sanford, Portsmouth, Freiburg, but those fade away. It turns into some snow moving up into northern Maine on Thursday, not being picked up here very well. This computer model says it's going to be mostly rain at 39 in Millinocket. And then we clear out Thursday night briefly before the next storm gets here. And this one is going to be onshore flow, a cold rain, snow up here in the western mountains, the Carrabassett Valley. Accumulation will be light, and then we clear out as we get to Friday night. Seas at 1 foot, that's it. Wind south at 5 to 10 knots. And here's the forecast the next several days, where you have 46, 44, 46, 44. Maybe we should play the lottery. 46 again, 39, 39. A lot of fours, and then we cool down as, wouldn't you know, Brian and Amanda, first day of spring. So that means we're going to go the other way, because in winter we've been going into the 50s, and well, I've had some, I think some 60s even pop up this winter. As we get to spring on Tuesday, we're going back down to 40, which is not terribly cold. That's really just more of what it typically is this time of the year.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Seem colder.
Right.
Exactly, it's gonna feel cold.
Right. Well, and it's felt like spring, but it's weird to see spring actually in the 7 day that we're there.
And feeling like it's supposed to be as we get into March.
Yeah.
Weird.
All right, Jason, thanks. You.